Volume button not working and you don't want to spend huge money in service center to get it repaired? No worries then, this video is just for you, so watch the video till the end, and if you like my work then do subscribe and press this bell icon to get notified when we upload. So my name is Tejas and you're watching TP Tech, so let us just get started, but first let me roll in my intro. And this app will help you to change your volume without the aid of using any physical volume button, and it's very basic and simple app but yet very useful. The name of the app is Volume Pi and it's completely free app, so install it and then open it and grant all the permission the app demands. After granting the permissions, you can see here this blue play button. Press that and then you will be directed to accessibility menu, then search for volume pi and then enable that too. After that, enable swipe to show option, then all is set. Now if you slide from right, a small menu will pop up and from here you can control the volume levels of your device, and that too without the need of using any physical volume button. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I hope this video at least solved your volume issue temporarily. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, and if you have any queries then do comment down below. So see you soon in the next video. So now let's roll out the outro.